Hey everybody, this is Carissa. Welcome back to my channel, Inky Fairy Designs. Today I am doing an unboxing video. And today I'm going to be unboxing the February blind box from Marker Universe. I did an unboxing for January, but I never posted it on my channel. But I've got February's box here, and I'm going to show you what's inside. So this is the February blind box, like I said. You can use hashtag #MUBlindBox and check it out if you want to see more about what other artists are creating with this box. It is from Marker Universe, so markeruniverse.com. You can check out more, sign up for their, here's the website, markeruniverse.com. Sign up for like their newsletter, get informed when the next box goes on sale. The value of this box is incredible. I want to say it's $30 plus shipping, but look at all of this stuff that you get. Okay, so I can already see some Chameleon Fineliners, which I've been really wanting to try. Some more of those Caron brush markers. These were actually in different colors. Were in the last January blind box, and I'm so excited because I've been dying to try these and I love them. So we'll go ahead and start with this. This is the metallic gold Caron Deco brush. Then we have the Brush Marker Pro, and this color is pale orange. Then we have another Brush Marker Pro in Skin 1.2. I'm really loving these colors this month. Last month was a little stifling for me. The colors didn't really inspire me, but I'm loving these colors this month. We have one more. Caron Brush Marker Pro Rose Pink. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's jump into the Chameleon Fineliner. Fine liner. What are these? Chameleon Fineliner. Just the Chameleon Fineliners. Okay. So, it looks like BL8 is a kind of a teal color. I have no idea how these work, guys. Then we have V02 or VO2, which looks like a mauve kind of purple. Then we have BL6, which is just a really pretty blue. Then we have BL4, which looks like a light blue. So let's see what these are. They are also Chameleon. These are the detail pen. So I don't know what these are. And then we have color tones in caramel. So these might be like the brush tip markers. I cannot open them. And then we have one last Chameleon product, and it's the colorless blender. We have a sketch marker brush in pink lace. These are brush tip alcohol markers. Received a couple of these in the January box. And I thought this was a Posta pen, but it is a Shake Graphite pen, water-based opaque pigmented ink, and skin tone. So I'm super excited because I have been drawing lots of faces lately, and the idea with these boxes is to use all of these products or just products from this box to create some artwork, and then post it using that hashtag #MUBlindBox. And I think I will be able to do that this month because I feel like we've got some skin tones in here, some of my favorite colors like purples and blues and teals. So I am definitely looking forward to that. I'm going to go ahead and maybe start sketching something, just fast forward and see what happens. Okay, guys, so I'm pretty much wrapping it up, just adding a few details. I sketched out my face beforehand with a pencil that came in the January box. I didn't show that. The only thing that I used that wasn't in this box was that white gel pen, which was in the January box. And I have to use a white gel pen for like highlights and stuff like that. So here it is. Here she is. I am working in a traveler size insert from Jane Davenport. It's the watercolor paper. Um, I don't think it's the best watercolor paper, and therefore my Caron markers weren't necessarily moving so great. I want to test those out on like Bristol, other watercolor papers, because I know people use them to watercolor more and also letter, but I think I'm pretty happy with it. I think she turned out super cute. It gave me some inspiration, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Let me know what you guys think about this blind box in the comments below, if you think it's a good deal, if you want to sign up for it, and if you want to see more unboxings in the future. All right, guys, until the next video, do something that makes you happy today. Bye.